Good morning. Welcome to Carter's Country. We have an exciting announcement. My name's Justin Carter. I'm here at Carter's Country with Ryan from HK. They have a brand new pistol, just came out this morning, and we wanted to show you all a little bit about it. So, a US-made pistol to start off with. Do you want to tell us all the new details?
Sure, happy to. Thanks for having me, Justin. Hey, introduce myself. My name is Ryan Warner. I'm your Houston area HK rep. Thanks to the Carters for having me out today to film this video. Guys, we're really excited to launch this new CC9. It is the smallest HK ever made and the first US manufactured H&K handgun. So without further ado, here's the CC9. This is designed to be a concealed carry pistol. Concealable, durable, reliable. We're just excited about it, to offer something to that U.S. civilian market for the concealed carry purpose. I know we have, the VP9 SK, P30 SK, which have been fantastic models, and don't get me wrong, I'm still going to carry those from time to time. But having a gun that is less than 1 inch thick, especially those hot Houston summers out here when it's 110 degrees outside and you're wearing flip-flops and basketball shorts, this is going to be my go-to carry piece. So anyways, I'll dive into some of the features on it. First off, it is fully ambidextrous, okay? So we have magazine releases on each side, slide releases on each side. I'll mention, the magazines right off the bat. We have a 12+1 magazine with a pinky extension and a 10+1. It ships with both. We also have a small and a large back strap. Depending on your hand size, this is a really important feature. I've got the large one on the gun and the small one's in the box. All you do is push that pin out, slide it off, slide this one on, for your desired hand size. Front and rear serrations. This is optics ready for that RMR SC, the micro footprint for everyone out there that likes an optic. Picatinny rail included.
In regards to reliability, how many rounds did y'all put through it to basically test it?
Sure. So overall, HK put over 750,000 rounds on this platform in testing.
Yeah. It shoots.
Gets you out of a pinch. This has been years in the making, guys. We've heard y'all's requests for something more concealable, and we finally have it. But yeah, 750,000 rounds have been put through these platforms, and I've heard talk from some of the guys up at HK that a single one of these units was going over 30,000 rounds without any mechanical breakage or failure. So really impressive. If any of y'all know HK out there, they thoroughly test all their guns to the limit, and if this didn't just surpass what we hoped for it to be, I'm really impressed with it. Another feature I'd like to talk about is the trigger. They did a really good job on this trigger. It is a pre-cocked striker fire trigger, and that gives us right at a 5-pound trigger pull. So for any of y'all trigger snobs out there, I'll go ahead and dry fire that for you. Really short take up, crisp wall right there, and when we reset it, very positive reset.
You had mentioned that the gun is fully made in the United States. The steel was coming from Germany. Is that correct?
Yeah, as far as I know, they are sourcing the steel from Germany, which some of it we actually source, French cannon grade barrel steel from France. So yeah, I think as far as I know, they send over German steel for us, and we're milling it and fully building it, manufacturing it here in the United States. So HK's motto is no compromise. We have no compromise on this model. While it is fully 100% manufactured in the U.S., it is going to live up and actually exceed some of the standards in manufacturing.
And then one other new kind of thing for all the HK fans out there, you're getting away from the plastic cases, and we're moving to these new range bags with everything you need, right?
Yeah. So if you're anything like me, I got a million of those plastic cases piled somewhere in my garage. Frankly, I never use them. But from HK standpoint, we wanted to give y'all something that you would actually use and not waste anything. They did a really good job on these pistol cases. The idea is, hey, this is easy to slip into your backpack, under your car seat, wherever you might be traveling, because this gun is designed to go with you everywhere 24/7. So yeah, what's included in the box is you have this sleeve, and then that cardboard box. Inside is this pistol case. There's a little foam divider in there. You get the manual, or you get the handgun, of course. Manual, child safety lock, large back strap, small back strap, 2 magazines, one 12+1 and one 10+1. And All that coming in at an MSRP of $699. Now, you know, you'll probably find them out there for $599. But anyways, I mean, a lot in that little package.
There you go. So anybody who's looking for these, we will have guns in stores at each RX3 locations, north side, west side, and east side. So come out and grab one. And I think if we can, we may get to go shoot it now.
Yes, sir. We'll take you guys out along with us at the range.
Thank you.
Good job. Precock striker right at 5 pounds, like we mentioned earlier, and the reset is great. But you know, from what I've seen comparing other brands with concealed carry guns, I really think they did a good job on the CC9 trigger.
They did. Congratulations. Thank you.
It was all me. I designed it. One thing I wanted to mention with the 12+1 magazines, you get a full grip on the handgun with that pinky extension, and I find this to be really controllable when shooting. So really good feature. I'm using the large back straps here. I have medium to large hands, nothing crazy, but yeah, full grip on the gun, really good controllability. So that's one official, unofficial feature of like pretty much all the HK lines. And they don't like promote this, but, and a lot of other manufacturers of handguns do this too, but slide locked open.
That's cool.
It releases the slide. Like my VP9s, you can do it with all of them if you get the hang of it.
I'll have to try.
I did
It's
not
not an
know.
official
So
selling
you're
point.
slapping it?
Yeah, so
I didn't know that. That's cool.
again, most of the HKs do this. Not an official selling point from HK, just something
I'll have
I've kind of
that
figured
flashing
out.
on the screen.
But when you're shooting a pistol match and you're on a timer,
That
it's like actually, it does save you a lot of time right here.
There you go.
Yeah.
Ryan, thanks for coming out again and showing us a great pistol from HK. It's going to be interesting to see how fast they fly off the shelves in the coming weeks. Great time shooting as well. Compact size, shoots wonderful. Also love the tritium night sight in the front. We didn't talk about that earlier. Just overall, great package, great pricing, and can't wait to see it on the shelf.
Appreciate y'all having me out today. It was a blast shooting this on the range, and look forward to seeing y'all.
Thanks again. As always, if you've ever shopped, shot, or hunted with us, you're already part of the Carter's Country family. And until next time,
Adios. That one's good.